गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर टूल्स टेक्निक में आज आपका टॉपिक है जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग। जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग की बात करेंगे। इसे जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग को जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन और जेनेटिक मैनिपुलेशन भी कहते हैं। तो पहले इसको डिफाइन कर लेते हैं। जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग इज़ द डायरेक्ट मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ an organism gene using biotechnology. It is a set of technologies used to change the genetic makeup of the cell, including the transfer of genes within the and across species boundaries to produce improved और novel organism. हमें जब उन्नत किस्म के फसल या कोई एनिमल्स ऑर्गेनिज्म प्राप्त करने होते हैं तो हम उसके जीन में फेरबदल करते हैं, या जो उन्नत किस्म का जीन होता है उसको पहचान कर उसमें इंसर्ट करते हैं, नया जीन बनाते हैं। इसी को जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग टेक्निक कहते हैं। New DNA is obtained by either isolating and copying the genetic material of interest using recombinant DNA method or by artificially synthesizing the DNA. A construct is usually created and used to insert this DNA into the host organism. The first recombinant DNA molecule was made by Paul Berg in 1972 by combining DNA from the monkey virus SV40 with the lambda virus, as well as inserting genes. The process can be used to remove or knock out genes. The new DNA can be inserted randomly or targeted to a specific part of the genome. An organism that is generated through genetic engineering is considered to be genetically modified, and the resulting entity is a genetically modified organism. The first genetically modified organism was a bacterium generated by Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen in 1973. Rudolf Linus created the first genetically modified animal when he inserted foreign DNA into a mouse in 1974. The first company to focus on genetic engineering, Genentech, was founded in 1976 and started the production of human protein. Genetically engineered human insulin was produced in 1978, and insulin producing bacteria were commercialized in 1982. Genetically modified food has been sold since 1994 with the release of the 11 share tomato. The flavor saver was engineered to have a longer shelf life, but most current genetic modified crops are modified to increase resistance to insect and herbicides. Glowfish, the first genetically modified organism designed as a pet, was sold in the United States in December 2003. In 2016, salmon modified with a growth hormone were sold. Genetic engineering has been applied in numerous fields, including research, medicine, industrial biotechnology, and agriculture. In research, genetically modified organisms are used to study gene functions. Industrial biotechnology and agriculture. In research, genetically modified organisms are used to study gene function and expression through loss of function, gain of function, tracking and expression experiments. By knocking out genes responsible for certain conditions, it is possible to experiment. By knocking out genes responsible for certain conditions, it is possible to create animal model organisms of human diseases as well as producing hormone, vaccine and other drugs. Genetic engineering has the potential to cure genetic disease through gene therapy. The same techniques that are used to produce drugs can also have industrial applications such as producing enzyme for laundry detergent, cheeses and other products. The rise of commercialized genetically modified crops has provided economic benefit to the farmer in many different countries, but has also been the source of most of the controversy surrounding the technology. This has been present since its early use. The first field trials were destroyed by anti-genetically modified activists. Although there is a scientific consensus that currently available food derived from genetic modified crops poses no greater risk to human health than conventional food. Genetically modified food safety is a leading concern with strict gene flow impact on non-target organisms, control of the food supply, and intellectual property rights have also been raised as potential issues. These concerns have led to the development of a regulatory framework which started in 1975. It has led to, to an international treaty, the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety, that was adopted in 2000. Individual countries have developed their own regulatory systems regarding genetically modified organisms, with the most marked differences occurring between the US and Europe. Next, here IUPAC definition: genetic engineering process of inserting new genetic information into existing cell in the order to modify a specific organism for the purpose of the changing its characteristics. और व्यू अगर देखा जाए तो इस तरह से ट्रांस जीन को ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है। कंपैरिजन बिटवीन, यहाँ पर ये एक आरेख के द्वारा टेक्निक बताई गई है। कंपैरिजन ऑफ कन्वेंशनल प्लांट ब्रीडिंग विथ ट्रांसजेनिक एंड सिसजेनिक genetic modification. Genetic engineering is a process that alters the genetic structure of an organism by either removing or introducing DNA. किसी भी जीव का जो जेनेटिक होता है स्ट्रक्चर, जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर को हम जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग के द्वारा बदल सकते हैं। या तो जीन को निकाल दिया जाता है या नया डीएनए इंट्रोड्यूस या डालकर जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग टेक्निक द्वारा जीन में परिवर्तन कर सकते हैं। Unlike traditional animals and plant breeding, which involve doing multiple crosses and then selecting for the organism with the desired phenotypes, genetic engineering takes the gene directly from one organism and deliver it to the other. This is much faster, can be used to insert any genes from any organism, even one from different domain, and prevent other undesirable gene from also being added. Genetic engineering could potentially fix severe genetic disorder in humans by replacing the defective gene with a functioning one. किसी भी जीव में अगर डिफेक्टिव जीन है तो उसको भी हम बाहर निकाल सकते हैं, जिससे कि फ्यूचर में होने वाली डिजीज से बचाया जा सके. इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टूल इन रिसर्च that allow the function of a specific gene to be steady. Drugs, vaccine and other products have been harvested from organisms engineered to produce them. Crops have been developed that aid food security by increasing yield, nutritional value, and tolerance of environmental stress. The DNA can be introduced directly into the host organism or into a cell that is then fused and hydrolyzed with the host. This relies on recombinant nucleic acid techniques to form new combination of heritable genetic material, followed by the incorporation of that material either indirectly through a vector system or directly through microinjection or microencapsulation. किसी भी जीव में नए न्यूक्लिक एसिड डीएनए को वेक्टर के माध्यम से इंसर्ट किया जा सकता है या फिर माइक्रो इंजेक्शन माइक्रो इनकैप्सुलेशन के द्वारा भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग डज नॉट नॉर्मली इंक्लूड ट्रेडिशनल ब्रीडिंग, इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, induction of polyploidy, mutagenesis, and cell fusion techniques that do not use recombinant nucleic acid or genetically modified organisms. In the process, however, some broad definition of genetic engineering include selective breeding, cloning, and stem cell research, although not considered genetic engineering, are closely related and genetic engineering can be used within them. Synthetic biology is an emerging discipline that takes genetic engineering three steps further by introducing artificially synthesized material into an organism, such synthetic DNA as artificially expanded genetic information system and Hochi-Moji DNA is made by this new field. Next, the plants and animals or microorganisms that have been changed through genetic engineering are termed genetically modified organisms. If genetic material from other species is added to the host, the resulting organism is called transgenic. If genetic material from the same species or a species that can naturally breed with the host is used, the resulting organism is called cisgenic. If genetic engineer is used to remove genetic material from the target organism, the resulting organism is termed knockout organism. If Europe, genetic modification is synonymous with genetic engineering, while within the United States of America and Canada, genetic modification can also be used to refer to more conventional breeding method.